So we're gonna do 50 pack openings of Dragons Exalted. We have 51, so the title is a lie. So we're just gonna go ahead and start opening. Let's do it. Let's do it. So let's start off. First one here. Alright. Let's try to get some hoes and some other good stuff. Alright, got ourselves Hydreigon Reverse and played a couple new cards. Right on. Alright. Gibble. You got Swablu. Alright. Adino. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Nice Blend Energy Reverse Hollow. And Garchomp. Alright. Hollow. Nice, nice. Alright. Only got 2 of those reverse hollows. Magikarp. Always need Magikarp. Flaffy. Alright. Alright. Another reverse hollow. Blend. Wow. And then Jump Fluff. Nice. Stumpfish. Alright. Let's keep going. Why can they not make a 50 HP Swablu? I don't know. Wallen and... Alright. The monkey. We got Devolution Sprays. That's another great thing right now we can sell because those shifty decks are definitely calling for these. Alright, reverse hollow. Let's keep going. I forgot about those sprays. Those will get us like a pack apiece basically. Alright, reverse hollow. Ooh, nice. Altaria Fight Song. These are always great to have too. That's my first one of these. Alright. Cubone. Alright, Roserata. Nice. Alright, 2. Nice Agon, alright. And Houndoom. It's like in a museum or something. Throw, that's pretty cool. Alright, Rescue Scarf. Is Shiny Altaria in this set? I'm not sure. No, that's Plasma Freeze? Oh, okay. That's Bounty's Cross, he says. One or the other. Another Garchomp. Cool. Reverse Hollow Cubone. That's new. Alright. Yeah, so we got a regular Blend Energy now. Go Lurk. Sweet, we got one of those now. Let's keep going. Sorry for the coughing, I'm kind of sick today. Rosalia. Alright, alright. Bam, just repeats at this point. Snugglepuffle, thank you for the host. Let's see here. Bam, Slap King, alright. Celio. Shazam, Shazam. Let's open another. Yo, another Devo Spray. We got Magmortar. Alright, alright. Those Devo Sprays, man. That's gonna get us some packs. Alright, reverse hollow Stumpfish and Manectric. Alright. We got Apom up there. The Wolves, thank you for the host. Let's see, Beltoy and Murderwack. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, Mary. That's a pretty cool artwork for that card. I like that. He's on like a basketball court or like something. Alright. Open another. Seal. And a Beautifly. What's up, Soccer? Another Blend Energy. This one's a Psychic Water Fighting Steel. Or not Psychic, but yeah. Alright, cool, cool. Let's feel out the new. What's up, Yuna? We're doing YouTube vids right now. Alright. Good bite. Vulpix for Rosado. Ooh, the shiny shit ninja. That's cool. I had a locked one of those. Alright. Get bite with Dragon Call. Jonah thinks of those. Alright. Alright. No new ones out of that pack. Alright, Vigoroth Reverse Hollow is new, and Garchomp. Alright, we're at 33 left. Alright, we got 2 rares here. Alright, Magmortar Reverse Hollow, and Seismitoad with the echoed voice. Alright, it's Rescue Scarf. Dragons Exalted, please. Please, we can still get good stuff. Come on now. Honchkrow Reverse Hollow, and alright, Jumpluff. Let's see. And Gyarados. So Gyarados is new, and this Skuntank is new. I spent all my luck with the Heart Gold Soul Silver bundles. Maybe, man, maybe. Where's the outlook? I don't know, man. We're getting Devo sprays up the butt. We're up to 7 now. So we've gotten 3 so far. The luck comes like the last few packs, man. Always. Alright, Bomb Reverse Hollow, and yo, there we go, Rayquaza. It's a new EX for the collection there. Dragon type. Celestial Roar, and Dragon Burst. Discard all the fire energy or all the basic lightning energy attached to this Pokemon. This attack does 60 damage times the number of energy cards you discarded. Alright, that's pretty cool. Finally got an EX going. Alright, let's keep going. Another Devo spray. Alright, Ninetales Reversal is cool. Yanmega. I love this deck in black and white basic, like green deck. For the theme decks. Pretty good card. Devo spray again, that puts us up to 8. Alright, 2 rares. Alright, we got Garchomp Reverse Hollow and Hydreigon. Pretty cool. Alright, let's keep going. We got 26 more after this pack. Hellcats pull something good. Yeah, we got Rayquaza. Another Yanmega. Bidoof. Bidoof! Everybody's favorite Pokemon right after Dunsparce. Alright. Another Blend Energy with Psychic, Fire, Grass, and Dark. It's always good to get those. You're 50 frees in a row, and the best you got is full Ardeoxys. Man, I hope that isn't what the case is here. Alright, Manectric Reverse Hollow, and another Garchomp. Hollow. That's a new one, though, for the collection. Alright, Feebas Reverse Hollow, and we got Ampharos. Noise. Wasn't there a promo one of these on the wheel like a few weeks ago? I think there was. Electromagnetic Wall. As long as this Pokemon is your active Pokemon, whenever your opponent attaches an energy from his or her hand to one of their Pokemon, put 3 damage counters on that Pokemon. That's pretty cool. Stage 2. Alright, Rosalia, and... Ooh, Hydreigon. This is the Dark Trance one. People actually look for this one. So that's good. We got that. Wow, oh, finally a Versatile Evolution Spray. And Walrein. So we got 4 new cards there. Durant with the pull out, Kappa, and Ironhead. Nice. We got the Gigabyte, the Reverse Hollow Devo Spray, and Walrein. That's pretty cool. Alright, another Blend Energy. We've got 2 rares here. Rosalia, Reverse Hollow, and Gyarados. Still looking for those Ho-Ohs. Let's go. So we're a little over halfway done. Alright. We got Electrike, we got Skiploom, and we got another shiny Shed. Alright. So when this Pokemon's knocked out, your opponent can't take any prize cards for it. Basic as that. Let's keep going. Where are your Ho-Ohs? Yeah, bottom, man. The bottom packs. Vigoroth and Manectric. Alright. Nice. We're up to 3 of those. Oh yeah, Full Art Mew comes out of this, doesn't it? Another Shed. Alright. How many of those are we up to? 4 with 1 locked. Wait till pack 13. Alright, Emolga. And Hydreigon. Alright. Let's keep going. Alright, Drifloon and Reverse Hollow. And Drifblim. Nice. I'm getting a lot of new cards I didn't have, which is always cool. Yo, Sigilyph, nice. The cool one, Reverse Hollow. And, yo, we got Mew! Mew EX. Okay, not a full art, but pretty cool. I didn't have this version. I got the one from Legendary Treasures, and I got the full art version of this card. So now I got the regular art, so I got all the Mews. That's definitely cool. I really like the artwork for this. Alright. Bam. Alright, let's go. And you got the Sigilyph in there too. Does the Secret Sigilyph come in this pack? I'm not sure. Gibble. Alright. Seismitoad. This, alright, the next pack is pack 13. That's just as good as Ho-Oh. Seismitoad, Reverse Hollow, and Ninetales, okay. Bright look. The hollow, the water back here lights up. You can see that, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's open another. Number 13. Rescue Scar, Reverse Hollow. There's Ninjask. And the Garchomp is what comes out of 13. Alright. It's Freeze that comes in? Okay. And another Shed. Alright. 10, yeah. Not 12, 10. 10 packs after this one. So Rufflet Reverse. Another Rayquaza EX. Alright. So we've gotten 2 Rays and a Mew EX so far. And then a lot of Devo sprays. With one of them in Reverse Hollow. And some other good stuff. A Siglo for reverse holo. Let's keep going. Alright, Boozle reverse holo, and we got a Drifloon. Let's open another. This 6-pack, huh? Fortune teller here. Alright, Garbodor. Swablu reverse holo, did not have that. Alright, another blend. We got Magmar. Probopass. Okay. Is this supposed to be like some sort of mustache? I never got this. That's what I always figured this to be. Some sort of mustache. Alright, let's keep going. Yo, Mighty Milla, thank you. Alright, Drifloon. Yanmega. Another Devo spray though, we're up to 9. Alright, this is the 6th one. Drunk Sailor, dude. Alright, 2 rares, that's a good sign. Alright, Honchkrow. And Yaftatel. Alrighty. Alright, 5 packs, boys and girls. Let's see. Another Honchkrow and Manectric. Alright. Way too bushy. Alright, we got a reverse holo blend energy. Honchkrow, is this holo at all? Nope, just a regular rare. Alright. Oh, so we got 2 of those. 1 regular, right? So we got 5 of those now, and we got 1 reverse. Alright. I guess thank you for opening these. Now I know to never open decks. Middlewhack. Alright, and Drifloon. So far, a little bit of a bust. These last 2 packs, man. Ho, fuller, ho. Let's do it. Another Devo Spray reverse holo. Nice. That's really good. Alright. Beautifly. The last one of Dragons Exalted. Let's do it. Alright, Jumpluff, reverse holo. And what's the rare? Walrein. No hoes. Not this time around. Not this time around. Sad face. Alright. Bam. Bible thump everywhere. Alright, not right now, bro. So that's what we got. That is what we got for those packs. So we got the Mew EX, regular art. We got 2 regular art Rayquazas, EXs. We got a handful of blend energies, both different types, and we got some Devo sprays and a couple reverse holo Devo sprays. So could have been better, definitely. Could have been better. I think we got 1 fight song too, Altaria. So we got that. But we still got these Dragon Vault booster packs to open up. We're going to move on to those. So that'll be in the next YouTube video. So thank you guys for watching this one. And be sure to catch out these Dragon Vault ones. Alright.